Hello everyone, welcome back to the vlog. I am currently driving, it is storming. I'm on my way to the hair salon. I am running so late. I didn't even have time to get my coffee, so that's the struggle this morning. So say a prayer for me. I'm about to pull in right now and get my hair done. Alright, I just got out of my hair appointment. Don't you just love the feeling when you get your hair done and it just looks so good? That's how I feel right now. I don't know if you can tell, but like all my makeup's off right here because I got my eyebrows lightened. But yeah, now I'm gonna go to Starbucks finally. I haven't had coffee today and it is 1:30. So we're gonna go to Starbucks and probably go to the car wash because my car is looking not so cute at the moment. But yeah, I just got my hair done. It looks so good. I love the color. It's definitely a lot like more white, I guess you could say. I really like it. It looks so good and it feels so soft. That's like my favorite part about getting my hair done. It's like it feels so soft. So yeah, now I'm gonna go to Starbucks, finally get my coffee. I haven't had coffee all freaking day, so I definitely need that. And yeah, then I'm gonna go home. And tonight is the Bachelorette season finale. Oh my god. Oh, I don't know if I'm ready for it to end. Like, I'm obsessed with the Bachelor and slash Bachelorette, and I don't know who you guys want to win, but it's between Tyler and Jed, and I'm like Team Tyler all the way, so you know. So yeah, let's go to Starbucks. Okay, so it is currently storming. I ended up not going to the car wash because it's pouring down rain. I really needed to vacuum my car and I can't really do that with this weather. But I did go to Starbucks and I got a cold brew with coffee nut and almond milk, and I asked for the nitro lid so I don't have to use the straw because I'm like really in the heat right now. So yeah, it's really good. It's probably like my favorite coffee drink to get at Starbucks. Let me know what your guys' favorite like Starbucks drink is, if it's coffee or tea or the I don't know if you guys have ever tried it, but the one, I don't even know if you can hear me, it is coming down right now. It's the guava white tea with lemonade sweetened, and oh my god, it is so good. It's definitely gonna be like my new favorite summer drink, so I love that one. I don't know if you guys have tried it or not. But yeah, I really need to, you know, get out the car, but I kind of can't. The struggle is very real. So I guess I'm just gonna sit here. I finally made it back home. I had to get out of the car in the rain and I got so soaked from like head to toe. I just got done like wiping my car all out. It was covered in water. But my room is an absolute mess. Like, I don't even want to show it right now. That's how bad it is. So I'm gonna go clean my room and then make some lunch. And then I have to pack because I'm staying at Bo's tonight because we're watching the Bachelorette finale. And I'm trying to convince him to order pizza or Thai food. I don't know which one I want, but they both sound really good. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna go do right now. Okay, have you guys ever had the brown butter cookies from Whole Foods? Like, I had 4 of them and now there's 1 left, literally. Story of my life. But oh, they're so good. I just had to tell you guys about them. They're like chocolate chip, beyond amazing. I just got done cleaning my room finally. It's still storming. I'm about to watch The Hills, like the new episodes. I used to watch The Hills like every day when I was like 13. It was like my favorite show ever. I think I'm just gonna like stay in bed for a while. It's so cozy. Alright, I'm gonna go make some lunch and watch a Hills marathon. Okay, so we just got done watching The Bachelorette. Oh my god, what are your thoughts?
Tyler is, I think it'd be weird if you went off Hannah again, to be honest. Because he's a second choice, weird. You know?
Well, Bachelor in Paradise comes on next week during my birthday.
And my birthday.
It's on my birthday though.
Not really.
It's on August the 6th. It's on my birthday. Yeah. No, so I'm so excited to watch Bachelor in Paradise. It's gonna be so good. Good morning, everyone. Oh my god, so today is my 23rd birthday. I can't believe I'm 23. I feel like I'm 12. I am about to go out. I'm going to get my free Starbucks birthday drink and, you know, maybe do a little shopping, go get my nails done, just have like a really chill, relaxing day today. I got my birthday drink and a croissant, and I'm being chauffeured by a really, really attractive person.
Well, thank you.
Birthday drinks. We just got back from New Orleans and we're about to head out to go to dinner, but I wanted to show you guys my outfit real quick because it's really cute and I really like it a lot, so I'm gonna show you guys that real quick. We're eating dinner for my birthday. We're at the movie theater. We're gonna go see The Lion King finally, and I'm so excited about it. Are you excited?
Oh yeah, I'm pumped for the movie. I'm ready to see what Scar looks like.
So we just got out of The Lion King, and it was really good.
It's really good.
It was really good. And we ate some wings. Those were good.
The movie was great. So funny.
Yeah, it was really funny.
Yeah.
It's cool. Kind of sad.
I mean, it's not like it was a mystery. You've seen the movie before.
I know. I just hate sad stuff. Hi everyone, I just got back home from The Lion King. Bo just left. I'm about to go get ready for bed, and I don't know, I bought a new Frankie's bikini and I really want to show you guys, so I might go and show you guys that tonight. If not, I will tomorrow. I didn't really vlog too much today just because I had a lot to do. I kind of slept in a bit and then had so much to do after that. And this is what I wore today. I just have on some high-waisted jeans, my Air Force Ones, and my brandy belt, some necklaces, and just a black tank tucked in. Just casual for the movies, so yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, everyone. I think I'm gonna make some avocado toast. We'll see. I wanted to show you guys a few of the new things I just recently got. This is my new Frankie's bikini. I've wanted a Frankie's bikini literally for like ever, and I finally got one. They are a little bit on the pricier side, but they're super cute and the material's like really good. This one's just like a purple kind of color. They were having half off, so I got a really good deal on it. And then also got this new For Love and Lemons top, and it's so freaking cute. It's just like a little crop top, and then the back, it's just kind of like this. I wore this top for Bo's birthday with a pair of high-waisted mom jeans, and it was so cute. Such a good look. And then for my birthday, I got some of the Brazilian Bum Bum cream. This stuff smells amazing, and I've heard so many good reviews about it. it just being like a really good moisturizer. So I've been loving this, and it smells so freaking good. So yeah, I'm gonna go and change and go lay out by the pool. I just got done laying out by the pool. It was so hot outside, so I had to get in the pool to cool off, but I'm about to go shower real quick and maybe catch up on some YouTube videos, maybe do a little editing, I don't know, so we'll see, but I definitely need to put on some Brandy sweats because that's what's calling my name. So today's plans kind of changed a little bit. A random trip, little road trip kind of deal, and I get to see my best friend JC tonight, so I'm so excited. It was unplanned, and I see her like once or twice a year, so I'm very excited I get to see her because she was like 4 hours away from me, so it's not the easiest to hang out, but she's on her way here and I'm so pumped to see her. We'll show you guys my outfit for tonight. So I've got on a PacSun crop top, Brandy Melville belt. These are new jeans and I love them so much, they're so comfortable. And then I've got my Air Force Ones. So yeah, now I'm just waiting for her to get here. I'll show you guys the room. Oh wait.
Oh my god.
Wait, I don't know where to put this. What's up? I'm with my BFF JC. We are reunited. Bye. We went and got some ice cream. We got chocolate and caramel.
Salted caramel. Oh, I'm not even, okay.
Oh my god. I'm stuffed though. Oh, the Real Housewives are still on. But yeah, this was just kind of a...
My stomach just crumbled.
I hope the camera picked that up.
Dang, it's melting.
I know, mine are full. Alright, so we're gonna go eat and binge watch some TV, so yeah. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, JC.
Oh no.
I can't decide if I want to wear these jeans or if I want to wear leggings. It's like the struggle of my life right now. Literally. So we're about to go and get some breakfast real quick. I'm starving, I really need coffee. So we might go hit up some shops. All right, well, we'll update you guys at breakfast. So we just left Bath and Body Works, and oh my god, they have all their Halloween and fall stuff out. Is it raining?
Yeah.
Oh my god, it's raining.
I just felt one off.
I was like, what was that? Bo better love me because I just got him 4 Jones sodas and now I have to carry this around while shopping, so he better love me. Good morning, everyone. I just woke up so tired. Today I'm doing a photo shoot, so I'm about to get ready for that. First I'm gonna get some coffee and maybe do a little bit of editing. Oh, I'm so sleepy. I stayed up till about 2 a.m. watching The Devil Wears Prada, and then after that Something Borrowed came on, so it was so good. So I just jumped out the shower, I did a hair mask, and I'm about to use a Laneige sleeping mask. And I really like this one, and it smells really good. And then I'm just gonna do this green tea eye mask from Sephora. I really like this one. I'm gonna use this real quick. So I've got my eye mask on. I love these so much. So I'm gonna let this sit here for maybe about like 10-15 minutes and then finish getting ready for the day. So I just got done doing my makeup for the shoot, but I wanted to tell you guys I've recently partnered with Dazzle, which is so exciting for me because I love their shoes. If you follow me on Instagram or Twitter, you would have already seen the photo, so I'll try to insert it like right here. But yeah, I want to show you guys the shoes so bad, so let me show them to you because they are perfect and super comfortable and just so cute, and I love them. These are the shoes. I think they are just so freaking cute. I love them for summer. They're white with this cute little like gold chain detailing, and I just think they're like the perfect summer shoe, and they look great with shorts and mom jeans, and I think they're so cute. So I'll leave them in the description. Okay, so I just got done with my photo shoot with my friend Ethan. Guys, the photos look so bomb already unedited, so I'm so excited for you guys to see them once he edits them. They're gonna be so dope. I'm gonna go inside and chill. I think I'm gonna end the vlog off here, but thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll link my social medias in the link down below, and don't forget to stay stellar. So yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Late night ballin', counting up hundreds by the thousand.